Hi friends, here's our friendly snowman. He's really kind of cool, but he's missing things from his belly. So this is going to be a game that you can play. On the next page or two, there's hats that you can have an adult help you cut out, and it has a number on it. And with those numbers, you're going to put it on top of his head, and you're going to decide how many objects you need to put. You can use macaroni, you can use cotton balls, you can use buttons, you can use anything that's safe for you to use. So I'm going to pretend that number 4 is on his hat. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 on his belly. You can use buttons, you can use whatever you want. Let's pretend he has number 6. So he has 4 plus 2, 1, 2 would be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also a great game for adding and subtracting using a plus like we just did, or taking away. So if I want to do 6, take away 2 or minus 2, to get to 2, we do 6 and you take away how many to get to 2? 2 is the end, so we have to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 2 left. That's subtraction. That's math, taking things away. Yeah, this is a fun game. Then I also have some giant snowballs for you. This too, you can have an adult help you cut it out. They're just numbers 1 through 20, and just use them however you'd like to use the snowballs. You can go count objects and put it on top. Again, 3 snowballs. You can cut them out and go find these numbers around your home. You can find a number 1, maybe it's on the toothpaste, maybe it's on a shampoo bottle, maybe it's on a can of food, anywhere you can find it. See if there's any 20s, a 2 and a 0. Where could you find it? Maybe 20 ounces of something? Have a lot of fun with these games, friends. Bye.